Alright, so it's me again. So I know I have been away for a few weeks now, even though I kinda said that I'm gonna focus on this, but it's just I had some private issues that I don't really want to go in depth with, so that's why I have been inactive on YouTube for like a month again. So yeah, sorry. And in those kind of like 1 month that I've been away, I've kind of lost interest in the game that I did before with, the Twitch game. I don't know. I don't know why, to be fair. But so I decided to start another project. I don't really know where I'm heading with this project, but it's gonna be in like a sandbox chill type of game with isometric grids. You're gonna see later. So it's gonna be a few part series. So yeah, thank you and enjoy the video. Okay, so I have managed to find an isometric tile set on the internet, and I will leave it down in the description if you wish to use the same one. So right now what I'm doing is mainly like play with it and to see how it all works together, and also make sure that all the settings are right for it. Alright, so after a lot of research, I have managed to kinda do what I wanted. So I'm able to select one out of the 5 tiles and place it in game. So with the help of scripts and all that. So yeah, a lot of time has gone into this. Don't ask why, but okay, so that's what I managed to do so far. By changing a few things in my script, I can now spawn tiles in the start function. So once the first frame, I can create I think it was like 100 by 100 grid of these tiles, and this is what like I wanted to do. So I wanted to have like an ocean, like ocean tiles basically, with like one island which the user can like play with, add tiles, and like I said before, I don't really know what I want to do so far. If I want to like add a story to it, or it's just gonna be something you can do when you're bored. But that's how much I have so far, at least. Okay, and this is the finished product, quote unquote, for this week. So I basically managed to be able to let the user pick a tile and place it in game. Pretty good start, actually. For the next episode, or like the next part, I think I want to focus a bit more on the actual functionality and optimizing it as much as I possibly can, so that later on it can be much easier. Yeah. Okay, and this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe, like, and you know the drill, all those types of stuff. Uh, I do want to start getting 2 videos per week now, and so one of those videos is gonna be this type, like a devlog type of thing, where I just build my game and record on the way. And the other thing I would like to do is lead code questions. And for those who don't know, lead code, it's a place like programming questions, and I would like to post explanations and how to solve those types of problems. So I hope to get one, like at least start this series on Friday. Actually, I'm going to try to post it every Friday, and yeah, take the try with a grain of salt. Okay, but yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys another time. Bye.